Monarchy government. The word monarch comes from Greek monos, one singular, and archon, leader, ruler, or chief. What is a monarchy? It's the undivided rule or absolute sovereignty by a single person. There are forms of monarchy. Level of legal autonomy the monarch holds in governments, the method of selection of the monarch, and any predetermined limits on the length of the tenure. There are 44 sovereign nations have monarchs, 16 of which are Commonwealth realms. Characteristics. Monarchies are associated with political and sociocultural hereditary rule, dynasty, queen reign and queen consort, elective monarchy, self-proclaimed monarchy. According to history, the monarchy government started in prehistoric times when people were living in large family groups or tribes. These people became natural leaders in their group. They passed down their knowledge and skills to the next generation. So knowledge, which also meant power, was passed down within families. Later on, when the hunter and gatherer societies turned to family and settled down, land, which also meant power and wealth, was added to the assets of leadership. Over time, this concept of leadership began formalized titles and rules for the succession were invented. In the beginning, leadership had a lot to do with priesthood, like in Egypt, where the first pharaohs were able to predict the yearly floods because of their astronomical knowledge. Power in monarchy. Absolute monarchy. The monarch rules as an autocrat with absolute power over the state and government. However, a constitutional monarchy, the monarch is subject to a constitution. The monarch serves as a ceremonial figurehead, symbol of national unity and state continuity. The monarch is normally sovereign, but the electorate, through their parliament and legislature, exercise usual limited political sovereignty. Titles of monarchy. You've got kings and queens, prince and princesses, emperors, empresses, dukes, grand dukes, sultans, sheikhs, and khans. Monarchs also are distinguished by styles such as Majesty, Royal Highness, and by the grace of God. The British monarchy. It is the constitutional monarchy of the United Kingdom and it oversees territories. The monarch's title is King for a male or Queen for a female. The current monarch is Queen Elizabeth II, ascended the throne on the death of her father, King George VI, on 6 February 1952. The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland. There are many monarchs around the world, and many follow different rules. You have Saudi Arabian, King Abdullah. You might have some questions about monarchy. Like, do you think a monarchy could impact the world nowadays as they used to do in the past? Should European monarchies be abolished? What are the pros and cons of a monarchy government?